Actually, itong Asia Tex na to, or Asia Textile Mills, we started in 1984 pa. So, if you can imagine, there's like about 40 years of manufacturing experience here. Our main objective is really to deliver quality fabric materials for the Filipinos. Just to let you know, this is one of the few integrated textile mills in the, I guess, in the Philippines, and I could even say in the world. You know why? Because in textile manufacturing, normally there are three main processes. Spinning, where you make the fibers into yarns, and then weaving, where you turn the yarns into fabrics, okay? And of course, finishing, where you dye and color and finish the fabrics. But over here, kasi in Asia Tex, okay, we don't just start from the spinning or the making of the yarns. We also produce fibers that are good enough to be transformed into high quality textile materials. Hindi ito yung hand woven, talagang puro machine ito. So matibay itong mga tela na ginagawa namin dito. Kami dito kasi sa Asia Tex, we're always we like to not just innovate, but actually adapt to the changes, okay? So from ordinary textile, what we did was we niche into the uniform market dito sa Pilipinas. Dito lang sa Pilipinas, you know. Did you know yung mga police, yung mga uniform ng mga police are made here. Some of the military uniforms are also made here or what. And fabrics for mga schools and then whatever are being done. And then over the years, textile became, or fabrics became, not just an ordinary thing or commodity, but it had to serve a purpose, okay? So the changes we did was knowing that textiles could be protective wear, di ba? Okay? One of the things that we do is itong mga semiconductor companies that we have here, they actually make anti-static or clean room fabrics that they wear for their use. Kasi pag nasa electronic industry ka, konting static electricity, nasisira yung chip as you produce them. So we make anti-static. And then textiles is also used not just for wearing. Yung mga shower curtains, kailangan anti-mildew, water repellent siya para it will serve its purpose. And then meron kami yung mga for table linens at saka mga they have what they call soil release na kahit ketchup, oil, or kahit konting tubig lang, it really gets out already. So these are called technical textiles that we also do here in our production. So we can sustain our business talaga. Kasi honestly, ang number one na kalaban namin, mga imported. Coming from China, coming from now even Thailand and Indonesia, kalaban na natin yan. Kaya ang hirap yung competition kasi sila may tulong dun. Dito actually we're just really on our own. Okay. And then over my years here in textiles, I've always been interested and fond with our natural fibers. And the piña barong has always been known as, of course, elegant, tapos durable siya, tapos classy.